Tonight we're heading to lava. We're gonna be hiking, or riding bikes actually, like 5 minutes or 5 miles across a lava field to see like flowing lava into the ocean like a waterfall. So I think everyone's pretty excited for that.
I think my bike tire popped and hit lava.
Oh yeah, thank you, brother. Thank you.
For the next couple
I'm
days.
excited, man. Thank you. We have found, well actually we've been shown, we're on our way to some waterfall. I think it's Rainbow Falls, but look at these banyan trees behind me. This is pretty absolutely incredible. Really?
We're going down on it.
We're going down on it. Oh my God. So there are hazardous cliff signs, but there are absolutely no signs to say we can't walk down onto the waterfall. It just says hazardous. This is so sketchy. Hey. Holy, you can stay there if you want. All right, so we are like pretty much, that is the mouth of the waterfall. That is the pool that goes over the falls. We are on the rocks. Andre's gonna stay here. I am leaving my backpack, as well as my vlog camera here, and switching lenses, and proof that I actually did it is right here. Hey Mom, I'm standing on the edge of a massive waterfall. I'm so sorry. If I fall that way, I die. Love you. This is genuinely as close as you can get. This is as close as anyone has ever gotten. Unless they went over and died. Check it out. Woo! Here you go. Get me out of here. It's pouring rain. We literally had to run out so that in case there was a flash flood, we had to run out. Is this the way? That's not the way. Where is it? Okay. Baby, just come on. Holy shit. I'm on camera. It's just too dark to see anything. Yes. Hopefully our cameras make it. I hope so. Let's get to the car. What? We've been tricked again. Oh my God. You survived this. I will love you forever. My poor baby. Ooh la la. Oh, everything's drenched. Well, now's the moment of truth, guys. Time to go upstairs and see how much of our gear is broken from the raid.
Yeah.
You missed it.
Good.
Guys,
That's all good.
Rob Stroke.
What's up, man?
Legend.
Good to meet you, dude.
I'm glad you're finally
I
freaking
know.
here, man.
Wait, the Ring of Fire, is that's the, oh, that's the volcano?
Yeah, we're going to Volcano.
Wow.
All right, so here's the deal. We had to park outside. We got in. They told us the park's closed. No one's going to see the lava. So we've come just outside the park. We've parked our car. We're going to try to sneak in, rent bicycles, and then go see the lava anyway because we're savages. And that's what we do, son. Does this work? Well, that works. All right, guys, so we are walking in now. We'll see if it works here in a second, but I've never seen lava up close, at least since I was 8 years old, and that was from a boat, so I'm pretty stoked to hopefully hike in and get to see it. It's 4.5 mile round trip, no, not round trip, 4.5 mile one way hike to where we're going. We're renting bicycles, and it's about to be savage, son. Savage. Freaking savage.
Our set.
Yeah, bro.
Out.
Woo.
I had to get a kid bike.
Very cute, baby. So, we have made it in. We've gotten our bikes, and our 4.5 mile epic adventure is about to start right now. Let's do this. All right, so we're about halfway in. We lost Angelique, but she caught back up. Now they're all smiling. I don't know if it's really halfway. Now I'm getting nervous. Anyway, it's one hell of a bike trip. We're still. What? That's Angelique. She got left behind. She might be a little pissed. Holy crap, this is so cool. Dude, it's just lava crust. Yeah. Holy shit. Squad. 1, 2, 3. Lava lovers! First proof of lava. Right there, lighting up the sky. We can see the first part of the lava. It's incredible. Holy shit. All right, it's officially started raining, but we're getting close. Really? Oh my God. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Alright guys, this is absolutely incredible. We're watching lava flow out of this freaking Saiba mountain into the ocean, and I'm shooting in 4K 60 frames. This is such a happy day. Holy shit. Oh! God, that was beautiful. There's a lava waterfall right now. Yep. Oh my God, because a ledge just fell in. Oh my God.
Oh my.
Oh my God.
That's absolutely insane.
Oh my God.
Dude, it's pouring right now.
So you guys see those hairs? There's like little hair looking things down in there. That's called Pele's hair. It's basically like glass that forms from the heat of the lava. It sticks to the rock, and if you get it in your skin, it like goes into your skin and stays there for weeks and hurts and burns and itches. So I'm gonna try not to do that. Wow. Wow. The volcano's not erupting right now, is it? Okay, just making sure.
No, it's amazing, but like my
Anxiety, stress.
anxiety
yeah.
is like
All-time high.
And I don't do well in these types of situations.
Staying on the edge of a volcano?
Yeah. So that's a little nerve-wracking.
Well, I'm glad you stepped outside your comfort zone, baby.
Literally, yeah.
I love you. I'm coming to look. Is it sick? Mr. Rob Stroke just got a sick photo of us. Wait, really? Let me see.
Bro, that's the.
Oh, Rob! Rob, you legend! You legend, bro! Hey, baby, how's it going? You're seeming a little more, energetic.
A little more settled.
Yeah.
My nerves got the best of me.
How cool is it that our thumbnail is going to be you and me kissing in front of a volcano?
Unworldly.
Incredible, right?
What's going on our wall?
Guys, so we've been here staring at the lava on this volcano for probably the better part of an hour or so. We've gotten some incredible photos. Check some of these out. Everyone has been like such a team player. Everyone has just killed it. Ryan, thank you so much.
No worries.
Bro, there's like, there's no words to describe, man. And this is the closest you've ever been to, right?
Closest I've ever been.
I'm glad we could convince you to come, man. Well, guys, I think we're starting to pack up. The rain's coming in really tight. We're gonna get home. We're gonna edit these photos.
Let's all thank Pele.
This is the Pele, god of fire, right?
The lava goddess, Pele.
Pele, oh my god. Pele, thank you for providing us with absolutely beautiful display of the power of nature. And thank you for allowing us to experience it quite safely, relatively. So, anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend, subscribe. I make videos almost every single day. And I'm going to do 2 notification squads next time because I don't have my phone on me right now. Basically, if you want to be part of the notification squad, hit the little bell button down there, turn on my notifications. After you've done that, leave a comment, and I'll be shouting out some of you guys every single day. Love you guys very much. I will see you guys tomorrow from a brand new adventure in Hawaii. I hope you enjoyed the volcano. Peace out.